My husband just finished putting together this 5-drawer set dresser, and it took him about 20 minutes. Instructions were super clear, easy to follow, which is always a huge plus. This one clearly is the black, but it does come in different colors. So this one is 47.5 inches high. It is 15.7 inches long and 11.8 inches wide. So just so that you have those measurements. The bottom down here, these are actually adjustable. The little feet here, you can twist these because if your house is anything like ours and uneven, it is nice to be able to twist those and change them around. As I said, 5 drawers. These are all fabric, so definitely something you want to keep in mind, but it was really nice because he didn't have to build anything. You just pop them out, put in the bottom. He did have to attach the handles, but obviously that helped as well. Because they are fabric, they are recommending only having about 6.5 pounds inside each drawer. So this is perfect for, you know, clothing inside a closet if you have a small space. I do love how narrow it is, but I do like that it is nice and tall. And then up here on the top, let me see. The other thing is, like, I feel like if I do this forward, it's just everything's going to fall out. But up at the top here, you can see that you do have a hard wood shelf there. So of course you can put something on there as well if you want to add like a little decoration or something like that. But yeah, it's really cute, really simple. And again, I just love how quick it was to put together.